In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to refresh Microsoft Teams. If Teams is acting slow, not updating properly, or not showing recent messages and changes, a quick refresh can often solve the problem. In this case, refreshing Teams simply means fully closing the app and then reopening it. It's a simple process, but it's important to close it the right way because sometimes clicking the X only hides the app instead of shutting it down completely. To begin, look at the bottom right corner of your screen. This is where you'll find the system tray, which holds background apps and status icons. If you don't immediately see the Teams icon there, click the small up arrow symbol to show hidden icons. Once that menu opens, you may see icons for things like Wi-Fi, volume, battery on a laptop, and Microsoft Teams. Find the Microsoft Teams icon in that area, then right-click on it. A small menu will appear, and from there, click Quit. This is the key step because it closes Teams completely instead of leaving it running in the background. If the app has been frozen or not syncing correctly, doing this gives it a clean restart. After you've quit Teams, wait a moment to make sure it has fully closed, then reopen the app the way you normally would. You can do that from your desktop shortcut, your start menu, or your taskbar if Teams is pinned there. Once the app launches again, it should reconnect and load fresh. In many cases, this is enough to fix common issues like delayed notifications, conversations not updating, or small glitches in the interface. If you're following along on your own device, take a second to check that Teams opens normally and that your chats or channels are updating as expected. That's all there is to it. Refreshing Microsoft Teams is simply a matter of quitting it from the system tray and opening it again. It only takes a minute, and it's one of the quickest troubleshooting steps you can try when the app isn't behaving the way it should. Thanks for watching, and now you know how to refresh Microsoft Teams.